All suited up and ready to go. Hey guys, different video than usual, no clients, empty chairs. It's 8:30 in the morning, so before the first client comes in. I got a lot of questions about my scissors and how I flip them, so I'm going to show you how I do that in this video. Now to start, let's grab one out of the drawers and come in a little closer. Come here. Yes, that's a lot better. Now, if you want to see how I do this, how I flip my scissors, here are the tricks. Now, the first thing you have to keep in mind, it takes practice. I sat on the couch all night watching TV, just flipping these scissors over and over and over and over and over again. To start off, you have to hold the scissors correctly. So your ring finger through this one, your pinky on the support, your thumb through here. That's how you do it. Nice and stable. To flip it, just take your thumb out and release your pinky. Now it's all loose. Twist it so your pinky is behind this opening. See? It's resting on my pinky. And then put your fingers over it and you're ready to go. If you're holding a comb, use your comb. Flip it again, start cutting. That's the easy way. Now, let's do this flip in slow motion as well. What you want to do to flip your scissors is work your way through with a comb or something, put it away. You're in this position and you want to get back to cutting. Make a pistol out of your hand. Thumb up, two fingers here. Release the scissors and just flip them up and catch them between your thumb and your index finger. That way you can put your pinky around, your thumb through, start working again. So this position, releasing it, making a pistol, catching it, working, releasing it again, catching it. Let's try to do one in slow motion. So I'm working, released it, catching it, cutting. If you want to hold your scissors in a different position, you can catch them, chop in, or you can catch it like this, a little bit more forward on your index finger, tilt your hand, put your thumb underneath, your finger on top of it, you can cut like this. So if you're holding a section, just cut like this. If you want to go back to the position where you can grab a comb or something, put your thumb underneath, release it, and all the other steps are the same. Now let's do this one more time. Flip them, work, release them, do whatever you want to do, flip them again, work. If you want to cut in a different position, flip them, chop in, go back, flip them, put your index finger on top, thumb underneath, and work your way across the section like that. Go back to holding it, and that's it. The only thing that works is sitting on the couch all evening, watching TV and practicing. Now folks, sure hope this video helps. If you want to help me out, hit the red subscribe button down here, leave a blue thumbs up, and see you in the next one.